Hi everyone, today we are going to see what are different types of errors in Excel and how we can resolve all these errors. First type of error is a cell showing multiple hashtag. This error comes because column is not enough to fit the data. So to fix this error, we will take our cursor between C and D column exactly where our pointer changes its look and double click there to make the cell enough to fit the data. Second type of error is hashtag name. This error comes because we have done error in writing the formula. For example, if we use equals sun instead of sum, it will show the error. To resolve this error in Excel, you need to check the formula spelling and correct the same to get the correct answer. Third type of error is hashtag value. This error comes when we have given the wrong argument in the formula. For example, let's say we have 10 in cell D4 and ABC in cell E4, and now if we try to add D4 plus E4, you will get error because Excel cannot add value with text. To resolve this error, you need to make sure that the data types in your formula are compatible. In this example, either you need to change cell E4 to any number, let's say 20. Now your formula will work appropriately. Fourth type of error is hashtag div/0. This error comes when we try to divide any number with 0 or nothing. For example, if we try to divide 10 by 0, we will get this error. To resolve this error, we need to put some number in cell E5 to resolve the error. Fifth error and last type of error we are going to see today is this hashtag ref. This error comes when we use formula somewhere and then delete any cell on which that formula is based. For example, if we delete G3, we can see formula used in cell C3 showing error. To resolve this error, we need remove reference of deleted cell from the formula. I hope you have found this video useful.